The traditional way of teaching, where everyone learns the same thing in the same way, doesn't work for all students. This approach causes some students to lose interest and miss out on learning opportunities. That's why we created SciQuiry. SciQuiry is an intelligent tutoring platform designed for middle school students. It uses adaptive learning techniques to customize the educational journey of each student, ensuring that science education is tailored to their pace and level of understanding. Our platform is divided into 4 main science subjects: physics, chemistry, biology, and earth and space. Each subject breaks down into specific topics, such as force, motion, light, heat, and energy in physics. Within these topics are micro-lessons, each with scaffolding learning objectives. These learning objectives start with the basics and prior knowledge, then build upon one another. This creates a layered learning experience that progresses from simple to more advanced concepts, ensuring students grasp each fundamental before moving forward. Let's see SciQuiry in action with 2 middle school students exploring the concept of distance and displacement. Both students start with a question that tests their existing knowledge. The platform then customizes the following questions based on their responses, providing a tailored learning experience. Student A quickly grasps the concepts, answering correctly and moving on to more advanced questions. Meanwhile, student B faces challenges, requiring additional support. The platform adapts, offering detailed explanations for incorrect answers and cool facts for correct answers. Hints are also available for those who struggle. This personalized approach ensures that while student A progresses faster, student B receives the guidance needed to build understanding. With features like text-to-speech, SciQuiry ensures a supportive and accessible learning environment for all. We initiated the development of our own deep knowledge tracing algorithm, named Smart Sequencing of Questions. This innovative tool decides which questions to ask next, based on how students have been answering up to that point. The goal is to make sure every question helps the student understand the material better. SciQuiry is available on all devices, platforms, and screen sizes without the need for specialized software. SciQuiry can be presented as a supplemental tool to be used in classrooms or remotely for informal learning. SciQuiry isn't just a platform, it's a promise for a future where every student can excel.